Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you a beautiful fairy frock for your kids in 3-4 years baby girl. This frock is very colorful, beautiful and different designs. I hope you like this fairy frocks. This fairy frock with different designs will look great on your kids, and your childrens will be very happy. This fairy frocks you create your friends children's, you create your children's, and you create your grandchildren's and niece. In this my video you can many ideas for fairy frocks and colors. You will benefit lot by watching this video for of me. Crochet has made the best video for those who working. I try to make good video for you. Then you like my video, please like and subscribe and appreciate my videos. In this my video you can get many benefits from all my videos, so that I can make good videos for you friends. I hope you like my videos. Thank you very much watching these videos. Thank you friends. Bye.